Looking for a Chicago Metallic Popover Pan? Our kitchen appliance experts bought and tested the top 10 best Chicago Metallic Popover Pan available in 2021 and put them through a rigorous side-by-side comparison to find the very best. Each model was subjected to a punishing quality of tests for whipping, mixing, and kneading. Our recommendations are based on our extensive hands-on testing and can help you find the perfect popover pan for your needs and budget. I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 10 on our list, we have the Chicago Metallic Professional 6-Cup Popover Pan. Chicago Metallic Professional Popover Pan makes baking a handy affair. Individuals who like to bake but despise cleaning will find it to be somewhat user-friendly. The cups are made to fulfill many baking prerequisites at the same time. They measure 2.25 inches x 2 inches, so satisfying the baking standards for muffins and popovers, a characteristic that's not typically found in conventional pans. Aluminized steel is utilized to create the molds as well as the pan. The substance is sufficiently light in weight but has an extremely high endurance to scratches and breakage. While you are able to use it and wash it as many times as you need without needing replacement. The silicone coating stays intact along with the aluminized steel, ensures that heat is performed effectively. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. At number 9 on our list, we have the Fox Run 4756 Linking Mini Popover Pan Carbon Steel. The Fox Run 4756 is a well-received popover pan. It cooks 12 yummy popovers at one time and can be connected to a wire rack, equally spaced and magnificent. The pan is sized 10.75 x 14.5 inches, so it must fit nicely in many ovens. The 2-inch deep cups will supply you with a thickness of yummy popovers to relish. The cable stand's slight dip in the borders is ideal for catching with your awkward, oven glove-covered Hansen. Your secure fingers must fit neatly beneath and contrary to the cups. The Fox Run 4756 is constructed from durable carbon steel. Its non-stick coating should last you quite some time. At number 8 on our list, we have the Chef-Made Muffin Cake Pan. Carbon steel with silicone coating. This mix of materials creates rapid, even heat when baking and prevents the pan from warping in the long run. Its own cups are 2 inches round and 1.73 inches deep. Greater heating efficiency means less cooking time. You are going to receive popovers from batter to dish quicker than ever. We love the Teflon-free silicone coat, so less cooking oil or butter with good non-stick outcomes. At number 7 on our list, we have the Analon Advanced Non-Stick Bakeware Popover Pan. This Analon 59181 steel popover pan is a 6-cup pan. This means you'll have the ability to create 6 popovers at one time. This pan is constructed from heavy-duty carbon steel material, and steel is among the best substances for even distribution of warmth. Thus, you should try this pan should you love making soft and airy popovers in your home. The steel substance is warping resistant too, and therefore they'll last long. The pan has a superb non-stick coating which makes it simple for you to create popovers. Wash out the pan as well as the popovers could be eliminated easily. You'll have the ability to use this popover pan up to a temperature of 450 degrees Fahrenheit, and that's definitely enough to create the best popovers. It's a linking fashion popover pan, and thus the layout is simple and lightweight too. The linking version will provide enough space to allow the heat to go upward and make it effortless to bring a popover batter into the cups. At number 6 on our list, we have the Nordic Ware Cast Aluminum Petite Popover Pan. The Nordic Ware Petite Popover Pan is fabricated using a cast aluminum core for durability. This spreads the heat evenly across its surface to provide you uniform baking results. Also warp resistant, this pan may shoot on high heat with no difficulties. This very best popover pan comprises more popover cups compared to many components. They're somewhat smaller in size, but it allows for longer to go about, and you may always have 2 anyhow. Additionally, it guarantees a quicker cooking time, since there is less surface area per popover. Fully non-stick, cleaning is simple. The non-stick also makes sure you will find a simple popover release each time you bake. And using its non-refundable grips, you can be certain you are also going to be safe. At number 5 on our list, we have the Norpro Non-Stick Linking Popover Pan. This popover pan from Norpro not simply allows you to bake large, fluffy popovers but also enables you to bake different desserts like large cupcakes, large sandwiches, brownie bites, and more. You might even use the pan for a mold tray for making frozen desserts. The popover pan consists of high-quality substances that help it resist harsh conditions. It's not likely to twist, become worn out, or stain through the baking procedure. The pan is very durable and maintains its own quality for many decades. The non-stick coating permits you to choose the popovers from the pan without having to scratch the sides, which will ruin their contour. You just have to wash the pan with an extremely modest quantity of oil or butter. Though this pan isn't dishwasher safe, it's still super easy to wash by hand. All you have to do is rinse it well with warm, soapy water. Be certain that you use mild soap, as sterile soap can damage the non-stick coating of this pan. At number 4 on our list, we have the Mrs. Anderson's Baking Silicone 6-Cup Jumbo Muffin Pan Baking Mold. Subjected to high standards of analysis for superior food-grade silicone, European-grade silicone baking pans keep their elasticity and versatility more and are far stronger and more durable to withstand regular tension and strain, such as twisting to unmold and discharge meals, nevertheless bounce back into their original form. Their non-stick property is preserved through more applications than additional baking molds within an even wider variety of temperatures, from -40 levels to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, to get a great baking experience each moment. Produced from 100% European-grade silicone, Mrs. Anderson's specialty bakeware delivers the exact same fast food release and effortless cleanup as FDA-approved silicone, but is much more elastic and durable to keep its original form and non-stick attributes through additional applications. At number 3 on our list, we have the Webic Baking Cup Muffin Cupcake Liner Silicone Popover Pan. As the exact unconventional alternate for popovers we examined, the Webic silicone baking cups are not very likely to be for everyone. While their advantages are many and they're ridiculously easy to wash, you can't anticipate the identical quantity of browning or loft which tailor-made pans may supply. Who would be these baking cups finest for, then? We advocate them for everyone who loves baking but hates the cleanup process. Silicone is famous due to its anti-inflammatory properties, and these cups are dishwasher safe, something that no extra pan in our review can lay claim to. If you're a baking perfectionist, then you may opt to get a pass on these cups. But for the vast majority of people who just want to spend more time baking and drinking our tasty cakes, and popovers than we do the cleanup, the Webic silicone cups are a fantastic and reasonably priced option. At number 2 on our list, we have the Fox Run 12-Cup Muffin Stainless Steel Baking Pans. The best-rated popover pan may add a number of baking recipes. It includes 12 molds for baking several kinds of candy and muffins at the same time. You can now easily bake massive portions more quickly and economically. Additionally, these are among the most lasting baking pans available on the market nowadays. The most important motive for this is the stainless steel frame. It is completely made from glossy stainless steel with a glow that may endure for several years. You may already know this substance does not rust easily. Aside from durability, stainless steel also makes this popover pan lightweight. It's a decent non-scratch surface that is not likely to wear. The pan can be stain resistant, which means you hardly need to be concerned about cleaning it. Even should you have to wash it completely, it will not have any drastic consequences with this pan. It may withstand a fantastic number of continuous scrubbing without losing its glow. The stainless steel structure keeps it from responding to the components you use. Thus, you can't need to be concerned about toxicity. This skillet may do amazingly well under intense heat. And finally, at number 1 on our list, we have the Silicone Molds Cupcake Baking Pan. This popover pan is created out of non-chemical coatings and can be pinch analyzed, meeting US FDA and European LFGB security criteria. These may be used with high temperatures as much as 446 F. These could be utilized for 3,000 applications. That's an excellent number. These silicone pans are oven, microwave, freezer, dishwasher, and steamer secure. All these popover pans are employed in several other distinct ways from the clients, like creating sandwiches, brownies, cupcakes, cheesecakes, candy, tarts, gelatin, ice creams, candles, soaps, and a lot more. These weigh roughly 5.6 ounces with measurements of 11.7 by 6.8 by 2.4 inches. These silicone pans can be found in disparate contours with 8 cups. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.